If anyone was curious what toothpaste I use, this is the one that I use, and I think that it helps my teeth look pretty white. I'm very satisfied with this. This is by the brand Hello. This is their extra whitening fluoride toothpaste, and I'm only using this because it's cruelty free. You can hear the background music. It's A Pink, I'm So Sick. And I'm gonna cleanse my face with the Yes To Carrot Cleanser. Morning skincare, the Body Shop Tea Tree Toner. I have a little bit of acne on my face, so I've been using more tea tree. I have a morning routine on my channel. I just don't have my tripod in here, so I don't have a way to show you guys my face. I'm gonna go in with my vitamin E essence, also by the Body Shop. This one's running low, but I have like 3 backups. I got sent this moisturizer. This one is by the brand Mix Easy. It's their face cream. So far, it's an okay face cream. Like, it's very, very lightweight. I don't know if you guys can see. It's just lightweight. This is probably the best way I could prop up my camera. Ooh, my bed, oh my God. Obviously, as you can see, my bed is still messy, but I just wanted to finish up my skincare in my room. So I'm gonna go into some sunscreen. I'm gonna film a video today. It's gonna be a back to school video. I just salvaged this piece of thread from one of the projects I'm working on because I'm trying to learn how to sew. I'm going to thread my upper lip on camera so you guys can see what I do to groom myself, because I get a lot of questions on that, and to be honest, I don't really think it's an interesting topic. So I'm just gonna take my thread. I kind of tied a little knot at one end to mend the 2 ends together. I twisted a couple of times and then, hold on. I kind of do that. A fresh piece of thread would be ideal, but this one has definitely seen better days. There are a lot of in-depth tutorials on YouTube on how to do this. Obviously, as you can see, I'm doing it on myself, so nothing is really like precise. And then with a tweezer, I got this one from Daiso because as you can see, it kind of comes in at a small point. I'm just gonna pluck the ones that were refusing to be threaded off. I might as well show you guys how I do my eyebrows as well. So I have the same tweezer, also from Daiso, but this one's like a smaller one. And I kind of just go and pluck the hairs that are obviously not my eyebrow. So I kind of just go around that. I like to keep my eyebrows as thick as possible. Then I'm gonna take a spoolie, yes, and I kind of comb my hair in the opposite direction, just so I can see the hair standing up. I'm gonna take these small scissors that I got from Sigma. They come in that little eyebrow kit set thing, and I think it's super helpful. So I kind of just trim my eyebrows accordingly. I'm gonna finish the rest of my skincare, so I'm gonna go into my eye cream and I'm gonna put this all over my face. I mentioned how I do this because I feel like it helps my fine lines that are on my face. Then I'm gonna go into this Kiva Tea Tree Oil Acne Treatment Cream. I talked about this in that full face of using new skincare and makeup, and I'm using this because I have acne that I need to be gone by tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm gonna go to like my first little business meeting. I'm gonna meet up with a brand in person. I don't know if I am allowed to say it, so I'm not gonna say it. I'm excited. You'll definitely hear from me about it. So I'm gonna go see them on Sunday and I'm super excited. I've been working with them for about a year. And similar to that skincare makeup video, I'm gonna go in with the Guerlain Pore Minimizer because I'm expensive or whatever. So now that that is applied, I'm gonna go ahead, film the video, and I will be right back. So I am in my closet that I film in, and I'm about to hit record and start filming the tutorial. I decided that I was really hungry, and so I ate breakfast. I had a big bowl of cereal, and then I had 2 quesadillas that had cheese, and then the ginger pork that my mom made, I just kind of combined them into 2 very small tortillas, and it was pretty cool. Now I kind of just gathered all my makeup. I'm about to start, and then you'll see me as a beautiful little princess. So I just finished this makeup look. This is my picture perfect makeup look that will give no flashback, that I think will look good in literally any situation. And so I'm about to pack up. I have some wedding makeup to do today, and then I have work right after. So this is pretty much what my days always consists of. Majority of the time it's usually earlier on in the day, so that's why I don't really have time to really turn on a camera and vlog. And the reason why I don't like vlogging is because I'm on my feet and I'm working, so I don't really have anyone to help record. But since I'm doing a wedding makeup for my friend's sister, my friend is going to be the one who has my camera in hand and is the one going around. So I have her to help me, but on a day-to-day basis, I don't really have anyone to help me. So that's the reason why I'm choosing today to vlog my day. And obviously when I am working on my other job, I'm not going to be vlogging because 1, I don't want you guys to know where I work, and 2, it's very boring. And so I'm just going to vlog as much as I can for the rest of today. So let's go ahead and get started. At Starbucks, because I'm so thirsty. Tell me why I didn't know it was 90 degrees today and I'm wearing a thermal. Simran.
Oh! Hey! What's up? I'm stressed. I look so hurt. My skin feels really dry after using that soap.
It's fine.
One time, this smells like pecan.
Bro.
Why does it smell like nuts? Not like that. Wait, what is that?
I used a illumination base, which is really hydrating. It's the one I got from CoverGirl. And then now I'm gonna try and use it. It's meant to be under foundation. You've been watching a lot of Bretman?
It's so bad. I've been saying or whatever like the past few weeks.
Did you see his like a honey eating video? That's like my favorite.
Earth.
Hella confident? Or
No, she was so serious too. She was like, she did the little eyebrow raise thing.
up to the ceiling? Simran, look up!
Oh wait, I thought you meant like look. Look at the product.
You're like hella serious?
It looks like lipstick.
Oh, it's a concealer stick.
You thought. Hey, I look so good and I straighten my hair. Oh, yes, Jasmine Yin did this face. Just letting you guys know, she didn't do the hair because I did that, and that looks so good. That looks so good. This is a Kim Kardashian of Indian. Wait, Indian way. We're going to an Indian reception.
Oh my god. It's 7 o'clock. I just did so many things in 3 hours. I did 4 people's makeup. I did 2 people's hair. I'm officially burnt out. So I'm about to drive to my other job. My retail job. So I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna close the store. And my day is gonna be over. So I'm actually kind of sad because everyone was running on short time, so I really had limited time to do people's makeup and hair. Everyone was in a rush and I started late. They said I was gonna start at 3, but I ended up starting at 4 because of everyone just running on short time. So I will talk more about my whole day at the very end. I just have to rush to go to work now. Bye. I want you to know how tired I am. I'm not gonna make it. I can't. So let's see what time it is, because I don't know. It is almost 11 o'clock. It is 10 minutes till 11 o'clock. And boy, oh boy, was today so hectic, so stressful. I worked a lot. So that is pretty much what my days consist of. Honestly, I have a lot of work to do, no time in between to really vlog. I mean, I tried really hard today to pick up my phone or my camera to vlog, but in all honesty, my days just consist of waking up, filming, eating, and then working, and then at the end of the day I edit. Tonight though, since I have that meeting, as I mentioned earlier, tomorrow, I want to paint my nails, you know, for like the first time in like 10,000 years. I want to paint my nails, don't know what yet. So hopefully I will look a little bit more put together tomorrow. And my light has always been flickering on and off for the past like 3 years. Too lazy to get a new light bulb. But I mean, if it's still working, kind of, sorta, then why fix it? So my day at work at my other job, it was good, very busy, and it was just very tiring. I hate dealing with customers, but you gotta do what you gotta do, sweetie, to make that coin. So it's fine, I'm fine. It's just some people don't know how to act whenever they're in a retail store. They think that workers don't know anything for some odd reason, and they always need to speak to a manager. And sweetie, I am the manager. But thank you guys for following along with my day. I'm so sorry that it's so hard for me to vlog, but I hope you guys understand what it's like for me to go through a whole day. And school's coming up, so as you can imagine, I have school on top of everything. So eek. I hope you guys all enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Peace out, Girl Scouts.